everyone, welcome to my very first video of YouTube. I am Pavitra Patil, currently a student at IIM Rohtak. So today I would like to share my interview experience at IIM Rohtak admission process, along with taking a tour to the campus of IIM Rohtak. Yes. So the first question is quite common but yet important. Introduce yourself. So that was the first question asked to me. After this first question, there would be a extempore topic given. It happens in all the IIM Rohtak interviews. The topic I got was the demise of Byju's. So the reason being, I have worked at Byju's and I have mentioned that in my introduction. So it's quite obvious that I was expecting my extempore topic my revolve around this Byju's only. So I was quite prepared as well, as I was expecting that this topic would be asked in my extempore. So thereafter the questions were like kind of covering all the aspects, like your academic background and work experience as well as current affairs. So thereafter the first few questions were revolving around my academic background. The questions were asked like what are the parametric and non-parametric tests, what are the types of them, which test we use for comparing the variances. As I am having the background in statistics, so it was related to my ACADS. So these were the questions asked to me in the academic background section. So we'll cover the next things. So now moving ahead to the next question asked to me in the interviewer, they were revolving around the general knowledge. Before dwelling into that, so let's have a look into the hostels. So these are the hostel buildings of IIM Rohtak. Yeah. So I was telling about the questions asked to me in the general knowledge section. The first question was who was the first president of India, and then who was the first female president of India. So I was able to answer these two questions, and the next question was like who was the second prime minister of India. I was able to answer this as well. And then the next question thrown at to me was who was the first female speaker of India. So I was unable to answer this last question. So the questions were like these based on the general knowledge, and then it was followed by some other fact related questions. The first question, it was like how many number of national parties are there in India, and then there was a recent news that there is a increase in interest on the personal loan. So what's the reason behind it? That was asked. And what is inflation, what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate? These were the questions asked. So then thereafter the questions, so I'm unable to recall. So until then, have a look into the campus. Yes, so yeah, here too. Yeah. So after general knowledge, the questions were revolving around the native knowledge. So they just asked about what's your state, you are from which state. So I said I belong to this state, and the questions were like how many districts are there in your state, then which is the largest one, which is the smallest one in area. So these were the questions asked. So as far as I remember, these were the questions asked to me in my IIM Rohtak interview. So if any further questions, if I remember, I'll put in the description. So this is the climate at IIM Rohtak in the month of December. Yep. So we'll meet you all guys soon. So if any questions, put it under the comments. So as soon as I get free, I'll be responding to all the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.